Morning children, welcome to your science class. Okay, now children, this is your session 40. Your session is 46 or 7. Yes, say I have no board. I am doing my selfie video. Okay, write the session properly. Okay, see now, take your textbook page number 101. Textbook page number 101. Okay, the table 4 is for homework. Yes, now here you see this. Below few questions are there. Take out your textbooks page number 101. See how many changes are natural. From above, how many changes are natural? You count it. Changes from milk to curd, changes in seasons. Okay, 1. And rusting of iron 2. Growth in plants is 3. Change in touch me not. How many are there natural? 4. Okay. Change in seasons. Rusting of iron. Growth in plants. 3. Melting of ice cream. Okay. These can be done by nature also. Okay. We can consider it. Okay. When you are bringing outside due to sun heat, it will melt. Okay. Now. And change in touch me not. How many are there? Totally 5. Write the answer 5. How many are man-made? See here how many are given? 10 are given. 5 are natural means remaining 5 will be man-made. What are they? Change from milk to curd. Change of ice into water and water into ice. Okay. Rice to cook the rice melting. Sorry, not this. Egg to boiled egg. Electric bulb on and off. 5 and 5. Okay. Now how many changes are temporary? Okay. How many you got temporary ticks? We will see. Change in seasons is a temporary change. Change of ice into water. This is a temporary change. Melting of ice cream is a temporary change. Electric bulb on and off is a temporary change. Change in touch me not is also a temporary change. How many you got? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is also 5. Now, how many are permanent changes? Permanent changes you count. Curd. Change from milk to curd is a permanent change. And rusting of iron, permanent change. 2. Growth in plants, it will be continuing. And egg to boiled egg, 3. Okay, how many are there? 4. Permanent changes are 4. How many changes are slow? How many changes are slow? Seasons changing. Rusting of iron. Growth in plants. These are slow. How many are slow? 3. Seasons changing. Rusting of iron and growth in plants. These are slow changes. Okay. Write it there. Now, 3 changes. How many are fast? How many are fast? See, change into this touch me, this electric bulb and off is very fast. Next, melting of ice cream is also fast. Yes or no? Melting of ice cream, change of ice into water and water into ice. These 3 are very fast. How many are fast? 3. Now turn the page. You are having tables. Table 5, 6, 7. Okay? Table 5, 6, 7. Now we have already done this table now. From seeing this table, we will do table 5, 6, 7. Slow change. Which is a slow change in the table? See. See, you have to see this. Here names 1 to 10 is given now. From this, you have to tell which is a slow change. I said seasons changing. Right there, seasons changing. And what else? Rusting of iron, slow change. Growth in plants, these are slow changes. Fast change, electric bulb on and touch me not. ice cream melting, and not touch me not, this one, ice into water and water into ice. Okay, you can write this. See, no need to take your own examples. From here you have to write. Okay, here already is given now. From there you have to see and write. Now permanent changes, curd, rice, already rice is cooked now, rice, boiled egg, rusting of iron, growth in plant. From first I will say, you see, first one, change from milk to curd. Change from milk to curd is a permanent change. Rusting of iron, permanent change. Growth in plants, permanent change. Cooked rice, permanent change. Boiled egg, permanent change. Okay, you can write here. Seeing that, again you will write here. Temporary change also you will do like this only. Now natural change you will write. Man-made change you will write. See, already this table is given now. From these only you will write it here. Okay. If anybody wants to write your own examples, you can write. If you want to write the examples given in textbook, or you can write your own examples. Okay. Now, see, now we will know about our lesson is finished now. Now we will discuss about the question answers. Totally how many are there? Question answers 15 are there. Okay. First question. Is the change of ice into water a temporary or a permanent change? Explain. Is the change of ice into water a temporary or permanent change? You have to tell. Ice is turning into water. Again water, it will turn into ice. It is a temporary change. When we want, if we keep it in fridge, it will freeze and it will turn into ice again. Now second question. How do you know that rusting of iron is a change? He is asking, how do you know that rusting of iron is a change? From first, after the rusting of iron, there is change. It is visible through your eyes. And what reason is given in your workbook, we will see. From workbook, you take page number 134. Iron reacts with the moist air forming rust. By this, the composition of iron is changed. So, it is a permanent change. It is a permanent change. What happens to the iron when moist? Moist means tadi. Moist air, tadi, gali. When it comes in contact with this iron, okay, it will get rust. Now, next third question. If a raw egg is boiled in water, what changes do you notice in it? You're boiling egg. After that, what you will see? You take a normal egg and boil it. You break it. What difference you will see? Normal egg, okay, it will be in liquid form. Yes or no? Liquid somewhat. That egg yolk will be semi-solid form. Yes? Not semi-solid, a jelly type. Now, when you cook the or boil the egg, how it will be? It will turn into solid. Is that change? Yes. If you are given 2 eggs, can you say which is boiled, which is not boiled? He is asking. How will you tell? We will see it in the textbook. See, boiling of raw egg is permanent change. Now, how we will see its appearance, cracks on the eggshell and weight of the boiled egg and the color change, cracks. By saying that, you will say it is boiled or not boiled. Next question, fourth question. Name 5 changes you notice in your surroundings. Classify them as natural or man-made change. In your surrounding, when you are coming to school, in your house, okay, try to write any 5 examples he is saying. Okay, mention anything. Any 5 changes what? Egg is boiling. Okay, that is a permanent change. Your mother is cooking rice. That is a permanent change. Yes? Yes or no? You are on the bulb and off. It is a temporary change. You are taking from deep freeze any ice cream. That is you are doing in your home only, no? Yes? It is a temporary change. Okay? Like this you can write any change. Now fifth question. Choose incorrect statement from the following and rewrite them correctly. The coldness in air during winter is a permanent change. Yes, coldness it will be forever. No, after that you will get summer. It is a temporary change. No, this is wrong. Boiled egg is a temporary change. Boiled egg is a temporary change. That means you will get a normal egg again. No, this is also wrong. There is a cause for every change. For every change, there is a reason. Yes. Without a reason, there is no change in anything. Okay. Now, an electric bulb going on and off is a permanent change. No, it is a temporary change. There is a change in state when ice cream melts. State of ice cream will change. Yes, from solid to liquid. Okay. Now, next one. Some changes are listed below. Okay. 5 is enough for you today. You write it in your class work. Okay. After like Thursday, you can do it on Tuesday. You can submit it these 5 questions on Tuesday, children. Okay. Now we will have an activity this weekend. You have to show some activity. I have selected an activity from your second lesson. Okay. I have selected an activity from your second lesson. You have read about magnets. Magnets show attraction and repulsion actions. Yes or no? Yes. Now, magnet has south pole and north pole. Yes or no? Yes. With the help of magnet, we will make a magnetic compass. Why? Magnets are having north pole, south pole. Okay. When you hang it, they will show north and south pole. Now, I am taking a needle. See, the materials to make a magnetic compass are, first you take any needle. You can needle. Okay. And any magnet, whatever you have, you can take. And next, you take any thermocol piece. It is better if you take thermocol balls. Because small balls. I don't have them, so I took a thermocol piece. Now take any bowl of water. Any bowl, whatever you have in your house, little bit wider mouth. Okay, you take it and fill it with water. Now, children, be quiet outside. Now, I have this magnet. I want to magnetize this needle. What I should do? This is a normal needle. It should become magnetic. Magnetic induction you have read now in your second lesson. How you will do? You have to keep on rubbing like this. From like this. You have to rub it like this continuously for many times. When you do it like this continuously, this needle will turn into magnet. Okay, it will have a north and south pole. Okay, do it like this continuously. You have this answer in a book, no? Making of magnetic compass. Okay, I am doing it continuously. You have to take this end. You have to rub it like this. Okay, you have to do from one end to other. Do it like this continuously for many times. Take any magnet. Okay, every magnet. Even if this magnet will break into 2 pieces, each piece will have north and south pole. Okay, no need to worry about that. If you don't have a perfect magnet, magnet is enough. See, I am doing. Now, see, I have taken a small piece of thermocol. See, why I am putting this? Because it should float in water. If I put in water, it will drown. So I don't want it to drown. I want to show that it is floating. Now I'll put this. I am putting this thermocol, that needle should float. See, I will take the phone and show you. Okay, you will get distracted. Don't mind. Okay, I have kept the needle like this. See, it will rotate and it will show north pole. Okay, wait for a while, ma. Can you see this needle? See, you have to put it like this, okay? You have to put the needle in the water, okay? Did you get me or not? I don't know. See, you have to take a bowl of water. See, I have taken a bowl of water and I have placed this in the water. See, I will place it and it will rotate. Okay, it will rotate and it will show me north and south. Now it is showing me this direction and this direction. That means this side is north and this side is south, and this side is east for me and this is west. Okay. Okay, children, take a bowl of water, a needle, magnetize it, and take a small thermocol piece, put it in the middle and place it in water. It will rotate and it will show you north and south. See, immediately when you put the needle into the water, take a video, take your phone and record it, okay, and it will show you north and south. Don't take small things because it will stuck to the end. Take big ball like this, put water and place this needle. It will show north and south directions. Okay, now this is your activity. When you have to submit, you have to send it to me on Saturday. This is your activity, not homework, ma. This is your activity. Okay, if you want, I'll repeat again. Take a needle and magnet, keep rubbing, or else you do one thing. Take the needle, stick to the magnet, keep it aside for some time. It will become magnetized. Needle will act as magnet. And you take a thermocol. If you have cork, that is good and enough. And keep in the needle this thermocol. Make it to balance and leave it. It will show you north and south. It will not show you east and west. Which I don't know which is north and south. You don't select it. Okay. Okay. Now it will show you. See, I have this side it is showing south. This side it is showing north. Now you take a pen or marker. Label it here. North, south, east, west. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.